So for this one, we got to start by making a little diagram, and we're going to say there's the balloon, and we're kind of making an assumption here that the balloon is in between the man and the woman. So we got the man here looking up at 27 degrees, the woman over here looking up at 41 degrees. And what we're trying to find is we're trying to find the altitude, aka that distance going straight up like so. And the only other thing we know is that they're both 3.5 miles apart. Now, since we're trying to figure this out in feet, just remember that at the end, we're going to have to convert this back to feet. Okay, we're solving in miles, but we will be in feet. Now, what I can do next is I can fill in this angle up top and this angle up top using the triangle angle sum theorem. If this is 41, this is 49. If this is 27, this is going to be 63. Now I can do something else that's kind of interesting. I can call this side X, okay? And I can call this other side here, I can call it y, but I could also call it 3.5 minus x, right? Because the entire thing is 3.5. All right, now I can make some equations here involving this middle side that we're trying to solve for. And I can use standard sign. I don't even have to use the law of sines here because we have right triangles. So for example, I can say tangent of 41 equals opposite. We're going to call this blue side y. Opposite over adjacent, which is x. Then I can also say tangent of 27 is equal to, we're talking about this triangle now, opposite over adjacent. So y over 3.5 minus x. So now what I can do to solve is I can use a little bit of substitution. I can multiply both sides by x and then divide by tangent of 41. So x equals y over tangent of 41. And then I can take this and plug it in down here. So I got tangent of 27 is equal to y over 3.5 minus this entire quantity. Then I'm going to multiply both sides by this denominator here. So we got tangent of 27 times 3.5 minus, then we're distributing tangent of 27 times y over tangent of 41. And all of this equals y, okay? Now what we got to do is we got to consolidate the y's. So I got to add this whole quantity to this side over here. And that's left equal to 3.5 tangent of 27. And to know what this is plus 1, we're going to just use Desmos and then approximate. So tangent of 27 over tangent of 41 is 0.586. So it's going to be 1.586y. And then to last step, we're going to divide by 1.586 like so. And now we're going to plug this into Desmos. And here, instead of using 1.586, I just went back to the more exact value. And then we get 5,936. So the answer is 5,936 feet. That's how you do it.